Hi Martin team, may you all good. This is Dri from Concern Hardware. Today I would like to share some information about our push soft opening door hinge to you. This is the first part is about the advantage of the hinge as below. It is made of high quality Shanghai steel material with 3 layers nickel plated, copper base, nickel plated, and then make a protective film which is made of mixed oil and anti-rust oil. This hinge can pass 72 hours soft spray test with very strong anti-rust ability. Used with the push-open door catch with push-soft opening function, open the door, just need to push the panel, no need to install handle, more convenient. With super loading 5 kilograms, the opening and closing cycle tests more than 50,000 times with longer service life. With soft opening function, ultra silent. The second part is about the installation of this hinge. Step 1. Confirm the distance K from the hinge cap to the end of the ball, distance 5 mm, and drill a diameter 35 mm hinge cap hole. Step 2. Confirm the installation distance of hinge cap. The distance is 48 mm. Step 3. Install the hinge cap on the door panel. Step 4. Confirm the installation distance of mounting plate hole. The distance is 37 mm and install the mounting plate on the cabinet. Step 5. Check the distance of door gap, front and back. The overlay condition, left and right. After adjustment, it can be used normally and the installation is completed.